Entering data on the category pages. This video follows the project setup video, which goes through creating and setting up a project in BESS. Setting up a project means that all relevant buildings, dwellings, and spaces have been entered. Once this is done, BESS populates the category pages with all the credits that apply for that particular project. Now you can move on to entering data onto the category pages. All of the category pages in BESS have credits. Credits are what drive the scoring in BESS. Let's look at the type of credits. For most credits in BESS, you enter information in the credit itself. Some are a yes or no answer, such as this credit for building reuse in the waste category. Some credits require a numerical answer, such as the bicycle parking credits on the transport page. Other credits have what we call a calculated result. This is usually where BESS has a built-in calculator, where a number of inputs need to be entered. For example, in the water calculator, you enter information about showers, toilets, and other water fixtures and fittings, and BESS calculates the reduction in water use for your project. The credit score for Water 1.1 is based on this calculated value. For categories with a lot of data entry, always make sure you scroll to the bottom of the page to ensure every credit has been answered or calculated. Profiling questions help work out which other questions or credits are applicable to your project. For example, on the energy page, you are asked whether gas is supplied into the building. Depending on your answer here, you'll be given tailored options for appliances such as heating and hot water systems, and also the gas consumption credit will be disabled if there is no gas. If you nominate that you have a solar PV or other renewable energy system, you are asked for more information about these systems. If you do not have these systems, then the renewable energy credits will be disabled. Similarly, on the water page, if you nominate that you have rainwater tanks, then you are asked for more detail about the tank and connections. Editor grids are where a large amount of information is added in one table. The table opens in what is called a modal. Data is entered and then the modal is closed. The solar PV systems, the rainwater tanks, water fixtures and fittings, and the dwellings energy table are all examples of editor grids. You will also be familiar with editor grids from the project details page. Generally, BESS updates as you enter information, except for when you are entering data into an editor grid, where BESS updates once you exit the modal. When BESS is updating, you'll see the recalculating animation in the left sidebar. You can continue to enter information into BESS while the score is updating. Have a look at our other videos to find out more about how the BESS scoring works and how to find and navigate the BESS help information.